سلام عرض چطوری بچه؟ خیلی خوش اومدید به یه ویدیوی جدید. من علیرضا هستم و اینجا کانال منه. یه پارتی دیت ناشناس دیگه داریم با لباس کریسمس. لایک، کامنت، سابسکرایب یادتون نره. بدون معطلی بریم ویدیو رو ببینیم. لیتس گو. خب سوژه‌هامون چقدر آشنا هستن. آها، این خانم تو دیت ناشناس قبلی هم بوده. قراره به هم جایزه بده، چیز کادو بدم. نمی‌دونم که پسرام چیه حاجی.
Nothing in this world could have prepared me for that.
Call me Santa Claus. I have so many ho.
Oh.
اینا.
Have you ever sucked toes before?
I think ghosting's okay.
You think ghosting's okay?
در مقابل اینا.
Are you into BDSM?
I don't know.
Is that kind of music or?
I just like to be as right into it.
So you're not into spanking?
آها،
Won't
بچه
spank
خورال اینترو ببینیم داستان از چه قراره.
Wait, so you're a virgin?
Okay guys, so what is the kinkiest, naughtiest thing you've ever done?
خب دخترامو بیان. یه عرض اندام کنیم. بله. رفت جلو. یه کوچه هم میگه عقب باز. خب عرض اندام کنیم پسرامون که اینا هستن. خب بحث کریسمسه. خب ببینید الان ما اینجا چند تا خوشگل داریم، چند تا گل پسر خوشگل هم این پایین داریم. این که تو بقیه ویدیوها بوده، بقیه سوژه ها که 100% جدیدن. اینم که میشناسید دیگه، به تتو خوشگله معروفه و اینم که پسرامون هستن دیگه. بریم ببینیم. خب برگشتن همون دیدن.
What kind of guys are you guys looking for today to be your Christmas date?
Adventurous?
Funny as frick.
I need her to be bold. Like I need her to be bold to a point where like a 6'4" motherfucker.
یکی جسور میخواد، یکی بامزه میخواد.
Just to not talk to her.
با اون یواش.
Athletic, confident.
I want a girl that has a big personality and someone I can share hot cocoa with.
He has to be a
چرا حس میکنم این رو از سر کوچه برداشتن آوردن پسر رو.
Oh, someone who will do what I say. You know, he has to be a sub.
Oh, fire. He's got to do the dishes.
I want my
این چرا جو صحبت میکنه؟
girl to have a big fat heart. You know.
پسر که ظرف نمیشوری
I just want a
که.
girl that my family won't judge. They judge a lot of people. Hopefully they like her.
I just need a girl to watch some Hallmark movies with. I love Hallmark movies around Christmas time.
آجی پسرامون این سری خیلی اوضاعشون خیته.
I packed this big present for nothing.
What's up, ladies?
حس میکنم خیلی
I love it.
I'm grabbing that carrot.
چیزه.
Do you like it?
اوه.
I light up, bro. I'm pretty lit.
It lights up.
Guys, so
خب.
today we're going to be dating.
بچه گفتیم دیگه
presents. So every round
بر
we're gonna get
اساس
to know each other.
پرزنت
It can be
های
fun. At the end of the
کریسمس
round, they will
هست.
discuss in front
فکر کنم
of
مثل
us
بقیه ویدیوها باید 10 دقیقه ما هم حرف بزنن، مخ همو بزنن،
spicy. Feelings gonna
هر
get
راند یکی رو حذف کنن.
So you're good, you're tall. And before we start the round, you all brought Christmas presents.
یه سری هدایا آوردن. خب حتما به هم قرار بدن دیگه.
And reveal to the other team what you brought, but without telling us what you brought. Hopefully it's funny and funny.
Hi ladies, my name is Caleb, and my gift is based on one of my.
خب
and my
Caleb.
gift is based on one of my favorite quotes. If it ain't on the wood, it ain't no good.
What kind of wood are we talking?
Art.
Nice and woody.
بعد
Hi
میفهم.
boys, my name is Lucy.
Uh-huh.
My gift is something you can wear to film cinematic back shots of us.
خب به درد من میخوره، بدینش من تو رو خدا.
Like when you pose up in front of the camera and it's a back shot like that?
Maybe
آها.
you'll find out later.
Oh shit. Maybe I would.
Hi ladies, my name is Nick. My gift
آجی
simply is
پسراشون
have fun in the bedroom, something for defense.
پسرها
Honestly,
خیلی
something it's
داستان
all
چیز
time
تو این
useful.
برنامه.
So
انا
baseball bat? You're into BDSM?
Well, hi, my name is Sarah.
ها BDSM چیه عزیز من؟ از یه حرفا
Between the
نزنی.
two of us when we're together. So.
Oh, is a heated
For
blanket.
one, my gift is very dear to my heart. It's long, hard. You can ride it all night long, and you'll never be bored of it ever.
I'm in love.
Hi, my name is Savannah, and I thought when we were done with my gift, hopefully you'll be like, that was finger looking good.
I'm Kev, and this gift, it can get you places, and you know, I can get you places that I may not be able to reach, but this might get you almost there.
Could be anything.
چرا اینو برداشتین و بردین؟ از سر کوچه پیدا کردین؟
I can't tell what it is, so.
No idea.
منم که اصلا نمیتونم تشخیص بدم کادوت
My
چیه.
gift, it might have been made last
Essay.
minute, but I can promise you that with this gift, you will not last a minute. So.
She's a fast rapper.
What's up, beautiful ladies? My name is Joshua, and my gift
What's up beautiful ladies داداش نکن
is it's sticky and grippy and can be made into a thong, but with one wrong move, it's gonna have you sing a Michael Jackson song.
Okay, Dr. Smith.
oh
Hi, I'm Lydia. My gift is stuffed and dead inside, like how you're gonna be later tonight.
God, I'm trying to live.
ببینم امشب کدومتون قراره کادو رو ببینید
Oh, hang on, guys. I need to adjust my gift. Alright, it's just my OCD. Thanks, guys. Now we can get started.
It's crooked again.
I got a question. How many situationships y'all been in this year?
Zero.
Zero.
Okay, now honestly.
چی گفت؟ وایس لحظه
Zero.
Zero.
Okay, now honestly.
واقعا؟
You got me. Yeah. Like two.
All right. I got a deep question. This is gonna bring me deep. Who here has an OnlyFans?
You said that's a deep question?
That was like.
only fans دارن؟
Who here has an OnlyFans?
You said that's a deep.
این دوتا only fans دارن؟ کل تصوراتم نسبت به این دوتا نابود شد. حالا اینو که نمیشناختم. only fans داری؟
Deep question?
That was like. As deep as.
ایشالله که توش فقط از تجربیاتت بگی. یعنی مثلا ناموسا only fans داری؟
Wait, what does that mean? What do you mean by that?
عجب.
That's a good thing.
You're trying to collab. I said, gentlemen, who here likes going
کلاب کنی باش.
king?
Only one?
Like, if you're saying down, like going down and then praising the Lord, I'm down for that.
But you will be on your knees.
I'm a lot better on my knees anyways.
What is your guys' biggest red flag?
چرا اسم کنم این داره مسخره بازی در میاره؟
Not going down on a girl?
کیف
I think ghosting's okay.
You think ghosting's okay?
I'm saying, what's your biggest red flag about yourself?
No, that if I was to ghost, it would be okay.
You're okay with ghosting people, like straight up.
I think it's okay.
What's like, okay, but what's like the cutoff for ghosting? Like, is it after one day, or are you ghosting people after like, we've been out 5 times?
I
and,
think
like,
it depends the situation, but like after one date, an easy ghost is okay. But if we've been dating for a while and you do something that I don't like, I'm gonna ghost you.
Just
Like
no
even
explanation.
like
No
2
explanation.
years.
Yeah, 2 years.
What?
And you just like.
You just don't
stop
show
talking
up.
to me.
Yeah, stop talking to you.
I mean, look, she's being honest.
I mean, hey, no,
like
I
that.
appreciate
Gotta respect the
I
honesty.
appreciate the honesty.
yeah.
That's, I mean, wow. Have you ever been ghosted? And I'm talking like after.
Did someone cause
3 or
this
4
to you
dates.
and then you started doing to others?
I think I've been ghosted once.
And how did you feel?
I was fine.
Me when I lie.
My red flag is that I don't cook and I don't do the dishes. So
ضعف دوست نداره بشیره غذام دوست نداره درست بکنه. پس الان چه به درد میخوری شما باید بلد باشی قرمه سبزی درست بکنی.
pockets, I could do
حالا ظرف و کارش میشه کرد.
pizza bagels.
That's quick and
Well, I
easy.
have this app called Uber Eats. We can order every night.
What's the DoorDash bill looking like for the year?
My mom pays for it. My mom pays for it.
My red flag would probably be that I'm
حاجی اینو از امن آوردن تو برنامه. این اینجوری نیست.
very independent. So
That's a red flag?
پیتزا میخرم مامانم
guys, we
حساب
get to talk to
میکنه.
them all day,
عجب.
every day. I don't have the time for that, unfortunately, but I give what I can.
Oh, I love that.
My red
تو only fans داری ناموسن؟ ای خدا.
flag is I have a pet pig, 3 possums, 4
ای دختر قیافش آشنا. آره حاجی این توی یکی از دیت ناشناسا بود میگفت که من مار دارم خیلی حیوان دارم.
3 geckos,
آره
How big is your
a
house?
cat, and a dog.
Did you steal those?
You say you have a cat?
Is that
بذار من برم این اسه رو سرچ بکنم تو اون راست میگه داره اکانت 3 ماهش با 10% آف $27. آره داره مثل این که خیلی هم فعاله بچه ها. او بله 311 تا پست داره، 327 تا مدیا داره. الان هم آنلاینه.
legal?
It lives outside.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Oh, I also have 7 hedgehogs.
I've always wanted to be a farm.
آها فهمیدین کدومه؟ این دختره که اول است توی دیت ناشناس من ساختم بر اساس لباس هالووین بود. یه حیوان خونگی خودش هم با خودش آورده بود.
Whatever you
برید
need me to,
ببینیدش.
I will take care of those and like baby them.
And clean poop.
Whatever you need me to, I'll get down on my knees and.
You found your son.
I'm gonna pick him.
That's a lot of poop.
That's crazy.
10 درصد بادی رو انتخاب کنید.
BDSM.
I don't know.
Is that kind of music or?
Is that like music?
آره یه سبک موسیقیه، یه نوع موسیقیه. آره داداش.
Yeah, can you explain it just for like the viewing?
It's like playing cops and robbers, but adult.
So is it like 50 Shades of Grey?
No, 50 Shades of Grey is very vanilla.
Okay, I want to be the cop then.
More like cops and robbers. Sorry.
I'm gonna go with a no on that one. I don't know if anybody heard this. No.
Why not?
You said I don't want to be hit again.
Just no.
So you're not into spanking. You won't spank a girl.
No.
What about in public?
In public?
In public, would you spank her?
For what she do wrong?
Some girls just need a little spanking. And guys also need spanking. More than the girls.
I got a question. How would you guys describe your humor?
I would say offensive.
I like dark humor.
Say offensive?
Offensive, I like that. Yeah. If you can't handle the offensive stuff.
Yeah.
I like dark humor too, but a lot of times when people say they have dark humor, they're
چند
just racist.
سیاه
Do
چی
you
میشه
actually have, like,
نظرتون؟
dark humor though?
That's a pun in itself. Dark humor.
No, but like you know what I mean.
We're
Like,
trying to get Lil Bro
I
canceled.
swear to God, all the time I'll meet people. They say the dark humor,
You want them to
and they're
own
just
up to
being
being
racist.
racist?
You know, yeah, you know what I mean. No, I'm saying like don't be racist.
No, I'm not for that. I think like if you're cool and witty and you're fun, you like to banter, like that's like fun. I love that.
I'm the same page.
What's your least favorite sex position?
That's a thinker, bro.
Wait, can I answer this?
Yeah.
The JFK is when I splatter all over her while she screams and tries to get out of the car.
Okay, that
خیلی دیگه دارن حرفای خاک بر سری میزنن. این JFK چیه بچه‌ها؟ بذارید بریم سرچ کنیم ببینیم. من که چیز نفهمیدم.
was I'm done. I'm done.
I like that for sure.
Nothing in this world could have prepared me for that.
یه خورده میزنیم
It's my
عقب‌تر.
favorite sex position.
That's a thinker, bro.
Wait, can I answer this?
Yeah.
The JFK is when I splatter all over her while she screams and
خب.
tries to get out of the car.
Okay, that was I'm done. I'm done.
I like that.
Nothing in this world could have prepared me for that.
که ایشون قابلیت آبشار داره. آره.
Yeah, I like
I
that.
mean, that's historical. That's
Yeah.
just, she's smart.
I would say reverse cowgirl, honestly.
Good answer.
I like being more like in control, you know. instead of, like,
گافچارون هم
just, like,
خوبه.
Going with the flow of things.
It's like
Seeing her
شف چی
face,
میخواد
too,
بگه؟
like, some people are like, I don't want to see your face. We're fucking.
What if she's really ugly?
I'm not gonna make her feel insecure. I'm just gonna be like, it's more fun.
When the
او چه
girl is on
اینایی
the
که
top,
اونلی فنس دارن چه ذوقی میکنن.
top, 'cause that's boring. Woo! I want to try out some crazy positions like her on the top and even some sideways actions like some.
I like that.
I don't know. I'm just assuming.
I'm more of
شوقی
like,
داره دختر
any
اولی.
position, as long as like the feelings are there and there's like genuine love, I'm a lover. I'm not
so.
like a fucker.
قلبم اکلیلی شد.
This is probably gonna come as a shock to some of y'all, but I actually don't know because I'm waiting till marriage.
That's why you don't like BDSM.
BDSM mainly because I thought it was music to this point.
Wait, so you're a virgin?
واقعا نمیدونسته. 30 سالشه. تو این 30 ساله هیچ غلطی نکرده. فکر میکرد BDSM یه نوع اسم برند چیز، یعنی یه نوع سبک موزیکه. 30 سالشه. بعد باکره.
That's impressive. Good for
It
you.
got quiet in here real quick, guys.
You want us to? I didn't give him a round of applause.
I would have assumed that that one was a virgin.
Oh,
This guy was boss.
Lame. This guy is lame.
call me Santa Claus. I have so many ho.
Oh.
All right, question. What's your guys' biggest turn-offs?
Virgins.
Yeah, I don't really like when a guy can't value conversation. Like, I went on a bad date, this guy, we were sitting at the bar. He chose the bar in the restaurant, and he just like watched the game the whole time.
Who was playing?
ریدی دیگه دادش. میگه مثلا یه پسری که نشسته با من قرار داشت کلا داشته نگاه بازی می‌کرده، بعد پسری جوری کرده بازی چی بوده حالا.
Yeah, this is like an age age thing, but any guy who isn't financially stable, if he's over the age of like 27, yeah,
That's a good one.
big turn off.
Oh, you got time. Yeah,
Yeah,
you're good.
3 years
You got
still.
3 years to mess around, bro. You're
You
good.
got time,
You're
bro.
good. You're chilling.
What's financially stable?
Oh yeah, that's a great question.
I would say financially stable would be like after you can like pay all of your bills, live comfortably, and not.
وقتی قبضامون رو بدیم یعنی خب پول داشته باشیم که استرس نداشته باشیم، پول بر پس انداز داشته باشیم،
Roth IRA, investment.
آها
I like that.
سرمایه گذاری کرده
Don't you
باشیم.
have an OnlyFans? Can't you just pay for all of us?
Dude, no, I'm not doing that anymore. I'm done being a sugar mama. I've wasted so much money on men. No more.
My biggest turn off is when someone has a massive penis.
Fire.
Well, we're all good.
چی ذوقی میکنه خدا. خیلی خره، خیلی خره.
I mean, don't gotta worry.
Yeah, we're good. fellas. We're good. We were changing back there. So.
How would you describe massive?
Yeah,
What size?
Tell me
What
the
size? Girth? Describe the
anything
girth.
over 6 inches.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's massive.
That's huge.
The big ones hurt.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Have you ever sucked toes before?
Oh.
No.
Huh?
I mean, I'd be open to it. I'd be open to it, like.
When the occasion arises.
Just clean it off a little bit, you
He
know?
said I will put it in my mouth if it is a toe.
خب با یه انگشت پا مشکل ندارم. خب راند اول عوض شد. راند اول تموم شد بچه‌ها. آها. پسرا باید یکی از کنم، دخترم باید یکی از کنم. حاجی فکر کنم هم این را حس کنم.
Love the farm animals.
You're into the animals?
I love the animals.
I mean, I love animals too, but that was a lot of animals.
She might have a farm.
No, she said snakes.
She might have a farm.
No, she said snakes.
اون دیگه واقعا وحش داره
I'm
عزیزم.
not like if you want to keep it cool, go ahead. But
I
like,
love animals.
But snakes.
That's still, it's easy. You just.
آها فکر کنم دختر خیریه رو میخوان حذف کنن، دارن چونه میزنن سر اون.
I feel that she's the riskiest. Like, I feel like she would cheat on me. Like, no, that's the thing is they seem too good to be true. You know those types?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm not cool with all the animals.
بعد فکر کن این دوتا بمونن، خب بعد اینا اونلی فنس دارن، بعد همه دنیا دیده.
But if you love one, keep them.
Oh yeah, you're a dog person.
I don't know. I think it was the BDSM that scared him.
Okay.
And that too. Scared. Not it.
این هم خیلی اسکله.
No, come on.
Oh, sorry. He's making the decision.
اون باید
He's
حذف
very
کنه.
dramatic over here.
All right, so who are you guys eliminating?
Okay, Olivia.
There is no.
Oh,
What are you doing?
We're going
it's
with
you.
اولیه.
Again?
the animals is just real. It's a
Wait,
lot.
but can I pick who to eliminate before I leave?
You help us pick.
The virgin's gotta go.
اولیه رو حذف کرد.
I didn't mean to insult your snakes. I'm sorry. Like snakes just really freaked me out. That was my only thing.
خب حالا مار میترسونتت که بترسونتت. الان مار میترسونتت با ایشون حذف کن. شما نگاه بکن، هم خوشگله هم صداش خوبه. الان باز یکی میاد کامنت میذاره میگه چرا به همه میگه خوشگل. خب تا گو بودی که ای رو حذف کنی؟ سنده.
Involved in the elimination of a guy.
Wonder who she's gonna pick.
Okay, sick. The virgin's gotta go.
Do we all agree?
Yeah, the virgin's gotta go.
I like his height.
بس که
though.
باکرا باید برم.
His height is a little favorable. The virgin,
Really? Being tall is so basic.
Look at his face.
the virginity, I don't know. It's a little. No, but it might be a good thing. It might be a green flag. I haven't met a guy that's a virgin.
But you'd have to
so,
train him.
Like his age.
چرت و پرت میگه. اصلا دختری که نگاه بکن بگه این پسر طرف رابطه نداشته و اینا نمیره آقا جان تو رابطه، چون میگه این بلد نیست، هیچ کاری از دستش بر نمیاد.
Yeah, but he's 30. Does he really need training?
They do need training.
You're right.
The virgin's gotta go.
Are you a fast learner?
Are you a man of the Lord?
Say yes.
فست لرنینگ این زود یاد میگیری یا نه؟
Yeah, I agree.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, this guy, he's the only one who raised his hand for going down on women, so he has to stay.
Right. Okay,
That's
he's gonna
true.
stay.
He has to stay.
That one accused me of cheating, but it's okay.
It's tough. Okay, you
Cool.
ladies have to decide. I can't.
Can I decide? That guy.
I'm sorry I insulted your snakes. I apologize for that. I just don't like snakes.
Bye.
No, oh my God, this is brutal.
Everyone is really nice. This is super hard.
It's not that hard.
اما اولیه رو
Virgin's
حذف
gotta
کنی.
go.
David, I think they've come to a decision.
All right, ladies, who have you guys decided to eliminate?
Virgin. I appreciate.
نباید
your
اینو بلند میگفت ولی
I-
گفت.
Yeah, I like it too. Yeah.
It's okay. Thanks, buddy.
The most action he's ever got.
All right, so the guys have eliminated Lydia, and I feel like Lydia eliminated Caleb. So if the guys would have picked you, what would they have gone?
آها کاداشون رو باز کنه.
One whole
بیا.
stuffed raccoon.
آها خوش شده هست خوش شده
Yeah,
هست
he died, so I stuffed him.
And y'all were second
Can I
guessing
touch
me.
it?
Wait, what was its name?
Oh my god, it's real. Is it real?
Ralphie the
Oh
raccoon.
my gosh, it's like looking
I
at
think
me
it's
too.
real.
Oh, he's so cute.
I can tell by his fur he's male. isn't he?
People actually
That was
do
his
that?
last life.
Yeah.
A little terrifying, but it's okay.
خب این کاداش این بوده
All right,
بریم اون
Caleb, what would
کاداش
the
چی بوده
girls have done if they chose you?
I'm excited to see.
It's just my phone
Oh.
because they don't do in-person tickets anymore, but it would have been courtside tickets to the Lakers. Totally
کاشون
fine.
نه
Totally fine. Y'all wanna go? Okay, cool. All right, I'll find a day.
باش بیا بار گام باشه ریدی خدا وکیلی بیا بار امتر زدی با این نقش بازی کردن بیا بار بیا بار دیگه
It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I ain't touching it. Good luck.
All right, so now we're going to move on to the next round. You guys have 8 minutes this time to get to know each other.
8 دقیقه
and then
وقت
we're gonna
دارید.
do another elimination. So good luck. All right,
بریم
time
سر
starts
چی
now.
بحث
If you're on a
میکنم
date, what's your go-to meal? Like, what's your favorite food to eat, like off the bat?
خب چه ربطی داره مگه آدم غذای مورد علاقهش تو دیت با تو خونه فرق میکنه مثلا من قرمه سبزی دوست دارم غذای مورد علاقم قرمه سبزی یعنی تو دیت باید غذام فرق کنه
Because they're an aphrodisiac.
What's aphrodisiac?
نمیدونم
What's that?
Aphrodisiac that makes you want to climb Mount Freaky Deaky.
Oh, I've never had an oyster ever.
Oh,
I don't want to try one.
yeah, we should maybe do that.
I'm down.
How many?
دور بخور شاید خوشمزه باشه
Usually a
Dozen?
dozen.
Dozen?
I'm gonna get real freaky.
Ideally, I like to eat plant-based. For the most part, I'm pescatarian, so.
You can write with both hands.
گیاهخوار بیشتر موقع گیاهخواری میکنه
I can't cook,
ترجمه کرده آفتخوار
so I like takeout. I like fried chicken. I like Burger King and chicken nuggets.
تو دیگه
sandwich.
خیلی وضعت خوبه که
I
همش
feel
از
like you can
بیرون
make me
غذا
some
میخوری
good-ass dinosaur chicken.
Air fryer. Air fryer.
Yes, I love the air fryer. That's my baby.
Okay, so
آها
what is
سو
your
از
longest
سرخکن
relationship
هواپزا و
you've
اینا
ever been in?
دارن
A year.
Okay.
A year.
3.5 years. And it was like, it was a good one. It was
That's a
like,
green flag. You can last like
Yeah,
a long-term
that's-
relationship.
I don't do like short term. I like long term.
Okay.
Buddy.
Mine is like 2 to 4 years.
دیگه راست میگه دیگه رابطه طولانی مدتی که تشبیه گرفتن نرسه به درد نمیخوره
It's like,
شاید هم بخوره
well,
البته تو ایران نه تو او آره شاید
after 2 years, she kind of just. I haven't seen her in a long time, but I'm sure we're. She has someone else on her Instagram now, but I still comment here and there. So.
Have you ever participated in butt stuff in the bedroom? Like a woman doing butt stuff to you?
Okay, one time we were in the bathtub. It wasn't that biggest bathtub, and then she like raced her leg a little too far, and her toe went. And I'm like, it scared the hell out of me. But it was like,
آه
Did you like it?
it felt like when she threw the bubble bath in. You know that bath bomb? It was the same feeling.
Okay.
Mine was kind of like a hidden surprise because I kind of woke up and I was like, wait, what? And like she just like I don't know what it is with girls sometimes always have their just always want to poke my butt. Like
I like doing that.
I don't understand that.
یه شرح بزن داداش منم ببینم شاید منم از تو خوشم بیاد
Do you have a nice butt?
I
Maybe
mean, it's
that's
squishy.
why.
It's very squishy. Oh, you gotta wait for that. You gotta wait for that. You gotta wait for that.
نباید
You don't have to
بزنی
wait for me. It is pretty good for sitting.
I have never done bus stuff before. I have not.
Are you open to it?
My thing is like to be like, this might be too much, but honest, just being honest, my ass is like really hairy, so I just feel like it's not a
So you
possibility.
have to wax it.
Yeah.
I know, but just like,
That's easy, sir.
When you ask your ass, how like what the
I'm
position
dashing
you gotta get,
pashmalu
like,
alla.
like, thighs up type beat.
Ideally. We're all fours. Okay, guys, so what is the kinkiest, naughtiest thing you've ever done?
I got jerked off in an airplane. It was just like I'm terribly afraid of flights, so I'm on this plane freaking out, and then like not freaking out, but I'm, like, whatever, overthinking it, and she's like, "I got you," and I'm like, "But I'm gonna ask for the blanket." They gave me the blanket.
خب
It was right there.
So was it a two-seater? Was there somebody next?
No, we got lucky. There was no one next to me. Like it was a free seat, so it was literally just me.
از صندلی هواپیما
And
افتاده
like a blanket, and everyone around us was asleep, and it was like dark, so it was like, yeah, and there was like no one around, and so.
The plane lady's like, "Do you guys need any drinks?"
Do you need some lotion?
Okay, everybody else?
my mom's gonna kill me for saying this. I'm sorry, mom. But so with me and my ex-girlfriend, we went to New York City for Christmas. We drove to Buffalo, and on the way back, like she started giving me a head like in the back seat when my mom was driving. And I had like a jacket like over, like you couldn't tell, like you would have like no idea. Like I was very like sneaky about it, but the problem problem was she didn't tell me that she was going to get her car washed like spontaneously at the same time. So like we're like in the back of like a car wash and like the workers like washing the windows. I'm just like, oh, what's going on over here?
داداش تو ماشین جلو خانواده.
I was going in the porta potty and this girl was just like, whoop, slid the door in. I was like,
این مثل کیه؟ مثل پسر است که حرف میزنه بعد تاش میگه کبیرا کبیرا. این بچهای تیکر این تیکایی که این پسر حرف میزنه 2-3 بار ببینید. منم نمیفهمم چی میگه اصلا.
You peed on her? No. Well, this was before well, we were both in the porta potty and man, it doesn't have the lid closed. So I'm at this point I'm like this is the first time like this has ever happened. Like I'm like ready. I don't know how to explain this. Do you just go? You have to avoid dropping things in this porta potty. So I'm gonna be the girl. I guess you could be the guy. So we had to do a couple of these.
Wait, why am I the guy? All right, now. All right.
I had to do a couple of these.
And then you were like, thrusting.
And then, well, there's a part where also there's no cover on it.
She sat down.
Well, you're supposed to grab it. Yeah, like this.
Okay. So you mixed it up.
That makes sense. I tell you, a porta potty moves.
Oh yeah, you don't want to tip those.
All right. First question is, who has daddy problems?
My dad's dead. My bad.
Oh.
R.I.P. her dad. It's true.
I guess that's a problem.
Could I ask a question?
Yeah.
How long is too long for sex?
Maybe like over an hour once it starts like getting all frictiony and like you're both tired and you're sore.
I feel like you could go rounds. Like I think going rounds is fun.
بس میگه دیگه همه جا سابیده میشه آدم خسته میشه.
Like a good couple rounds is good. Like so 3 hours should be fine. Like
with music or like with
I think there should be a little bit.
توی چند تا ران دیگه آره.
Like Frank Ocean type of music?
Sure, but nice and low. It doesn't have I can't not too loud.
Yeah.
In the background like
موزیک آره یه موزیک ملوی تو بک‌گراند باید باشه.
I'm gonna be honest. Yes. And I don't like music really. I think that's kind of cheesy. Put on like South Park or something.
بعد می‌دونید کلا اصولاً اصلش و منطقیش و علمیش 4-5 دقیقه هست.
No Trey Songs or anything.
No, that's just cheesy.
What was yours?
Like 4 hours. Holy shit! I'm just kidding. Probably.
ساعت‌ها.
You guys are good. Fucking for real. Yeah.
2 دقیقه.
That's the end of that round.
All right.
Now the girls will decide who they want to keep and who they want to eliminate right in front of the guys. So good luck.
بریم بفهم.
Everybody name who they would keep. I'd keep Buddy and you. And you and you.
You too.
بین این دوتا اولیه رو حذف میکنه.
For sure these 3. I'm a little miffed that you accuse me of cheating.
But I'm gonna give you guys negative points though, because you're not dressed up in Christmassy theme.
I'm a Christmas tree.
You're a Christmas tree.
Well, they're both wearing green. I would say.
I think it's already decided.
این دختره تو نصف فیلم ها همین برش بود.
Didn't mention one person except for you. I'm so sorry. I think it's gonna be you, but you're amazing and you have a great personality and your fit is fire.
Yeah.
دیگه حذفش کردی چرت و پرت نگو دیگه. بده بره. خب بریم ببینیم کادوهاشون چیه. ببینید بچه ها ترس نداره آیا آنی فنس الان خیرات در میگه میخنده.
My thing is this: when they were talking about like how long is like too long, they were all like saying like kind of like okay times. She said 4 hours. I can't.
Which you said 4
She
hours?
said 4 hours. That's a lot.
No, it won't.
No, but then she changed it to 2 minutes though.
I did say 2 minutes. Well, 4 hours was a joke.
ها 4 ساعت دو الکیه 2 دقیقه.
Anyway, here we go.
He's about to roast.
She's the nicest.
He's gonna roast everybody.
She answers really fast. She seems like you need like a 50-year-old businessman. Like
a businessman.
That like has his shit together. Like I feel like here are like the boys. You need like a man. Like you need somebody that's like got their shit. 401k, come on.
I love your energy. Oh, I wish we could keep you. You're so cool.
آخه کاش نگهش می‌داشتی ریدی دیگه حذفش کردی.
Eliminate. Look, I can go on pleasing a woman for hours and hours. 2 minutes is a little short.
Damn, dude.
That's all. But I go hours and hours. This mouth can do wonders.
I believe it.
Oh.
I believe it. Truly. I believe it.
دهان میتونه معجزه کنه راست میگه.
Wait, what?
باز گفت اولیه.
Y'all two voted on.
I guess it's.
He wants to vote her out so she's all to himself, is what she wants.
Well, then it's 2, 1, 1. So then that's
Yeah, no, y'all, yeah.
Okay. Good job.
Good job. Don't put 2 brain cells together.
So the boys have eliminated who? Savannah, and the girls have eliminated Classify. Thank you guys so much for being part of it.
هستم سین خب حالا کادوهاتون نشون بدید ببینم چی هست تو کادوهاتون.
If you guys would have been chosen.
You're gonna regret eliminating me? But okay. I got you.
اوه تاتو داشتی
A
دسته.
bucket of motherfucking fried chicken.
اوه
You're mad. I'm gonna munch this though by
یه
myself.
سطل مرغ سوخاری دلم کشید.
I brought, because I was like, oh, it's long, hard, and you can ride it all night long.
Skateboard?
Oh my god.
Oh.
And you will never be bored.
Oh, a used skateboard.
Hey, one use.
All right, well. All right, thank you guys. We're down to 3, so we're gonna keep this round to 5 minutes. So ask some really interesting questions, and good luck.
Okay, I got a question.
بپرس فرزندم سوال تو.
Puts work before you.
Yes.
I would say yes, because I do the same. So.
Good sense of priorities.
Definitely. I hate a clingy guy, so.
What would you guys say is your biggest deal breaker in a girl?
Honestly, I would say just like people that like completely change like how they act around like certain people. Like if we're like together and you act a certain way, and then within the group you act a completely different way, that's like a big like turn off for me, 100%.
For me, it's when a girl doesn't know what she wants. Like, hey, I'm like, hey, I'm ordering something on Uber Eats. Or you want anything? And she's like, well, I'm looking at like, maybe I want this. I'm like, come on, well, I'm just gonna get this. And then we order it, and then she gets mad. I'm like,
خب.
you just said whatever. I'm like, well, I don't know. I just
خب
want
چه ربط؟
More decisive.
decisive. Yes.
Fair.
Yeah.
If you guys were going out, like where would you go? Would you go to like the bar, the club? Like what's your vibe?
How long is the night out?
It could be like a vendor,
شب
so
بیرون
like
بودن
after
دوست دارم.
hours or anything like that. Like
Honestly, I like house parties more than anything, to be completely honest with you. But if that wasn't an option, I think like a dive bar with like a good group of friends, like 1,000%, because it makes it super fun.
I'm gonna say 100% Nobu. 100% Nobu.
oh, okay.
100%.
Not me.
And then after Nobu, where are we going?
To my place, and I'm gonna make you some dessert.
Oh.
I like to stay out.
For how long though? It depends how long. So like 2 a.m. is like the cutoff?
Maybe like 4 a.m.
Okay.
Yeah.
So do you guys have any
چهار-
examples of dirty
چهارم
talk you
خوبه.
would use in bed?
I would like to give the first example. This is you.
خب.
You slut!
مشتی کوتابی و حالا با مش نزن دیگه پدستای خورد کرده استخون لگنیشه کف دستت بذار.
Okay, is this a little too hard? And then, oh, are you okay? Do you need any water? Okay, someone get a water.
سامان گت.
I don't know. So
زدی کشتیش بعد یه نفر دیگه براش آب بیاره.
I just like to be as right into it.
He's got a lot of pent-up anger ready to go.
این چه اکتیه دختر اولیه خدا وکیلی اینجور میکنی همون چته
I feel like, hey, I do like a little bit of spanking. I like a little bit of play. I'm like, all right, why as well just go ahead.
آجی این داره ادا در میاره قشنگ میدونی
What your bar is.
I think it was the dirty talk.
تتو هم داره.
Beating.
Oh, well, I can.
But that doesn't. It goes. They go well together. They go well together.
Well, it's just better for me to like, you know, give you the visualization because I like to.
I respect it. Honestly, it just like changes on like whoever I'm.
باور کن این پسر وسطی هم انتخاب
early
میشه.
asleep with or something. It's more just like honestly just like going with the flow of things.
این هم خب
Yeah, baby.
دهن مارسیس که واسه کتش ایوری کرد.
Sometimes they can't even hear me because I'm just down on them, so it's just more of like my tongue, just like you know. It just really depends on the girl. The moment.
آره خجالت بکشین خجالت سرتون میشه مگه شما.
I like to do like taking charge and kind of just saying what's.
بابا این دوتای اولیه اومدن جدی باشن داداش یکم شوخی کنین بگین بخندین حتی مال جدی نباشین لعنتی های جدی.
So it's literally like a movie, like in bed.
Like you have it mapped out already.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
It's like kitchen, counter, bathroom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Love a guy who knows what he wants.
Alright, what's your dirty talk about you guys?
I just just, you know, I like to call him daddy. I'm usually a little bit more submissive, and I'll just be like, oh, like, where do you want me? You know, like, does that feel good? Like, what can I do better? I'm just very much a pleaser, and I like to make my partner feel good.
Okay, that's easy to work with, too. Yeah.
I take direction well,
I would say I'm a big moaner. Moaner and like
قرقروه اونم خب احساس خوب میده به پارتنرش اولیه.
I don't want to crosstalk, but I agree with you. I'm more like I'm dominant in life, so I'm submissive in the bedroom. So, but also like just going with the flow, saying whatever, moaning, screaming,
screams, a lot of screams.
Yeah.
زیاد اهل داد زدنه.
My kink is I love hearing guys moan. Makes me feel like I'm doing a good job.
دیگه باید هم داد و بیداد بکنی.
Yeah, I like spontaneous sex, so like public, somewhere we're not supposed to have sex, yeah.
Oh, we have a lot in common.
Yeah, I would actually agree with both of you, so I'm gonna run off of that.
All right, well, that's the end of that round. Now we're gonna have the guys decide who they want to eliminate first. Good luck.
Okay, I guess start off with who we don't want to get rid of. Like, I don't want to get rid of you.
I love tattoos.
I love tattoos.
I have tattoos. You just have to undress me to see them.
منم تتو دارم اون تا بابی خونمون ببینی.
I have some around my body too, like little ones. Where is yours?
Mine's on the kitty cat and then behind my ear.
I don't know if we can show that one. Should we show that one?
خب مثل پایین موینا تتو داره.
I want to keep the moaner for sure.
Yeah.
It's like hot.
Okay. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, she's a keep. Now we narrowed it down to 2. Wait, you haven't said anything. What are you thinking?
Oh, I like the moan. I like the moaning part the most. I'm going with you guys because I have a door stopper so that you can't really hear the you know what I'm talking about.
Well, then I would say keep her and her too because the only thing I like about her
خیلی بد
is
تصمیم میگیره.
like she's talking about 401k shit like that. I can.
Yeah, because we both like how she does work. Like.
Okay.
That's fine. I'm fine with me too.
Okay, we decided then.
Okay.
All right, guys. So the guys have decided to eliminate.
بگین ببینم تصمیم دارم. آها دختر اولیه.
But it's okay because you can help the girls decide who the guys eliminate. So ladies, you guys have a minute to decide.
He gives like Elf on the Shelf.
I love the Elf.
And I love it.
And he's a pleaser, like he's a gem.
Yeah.
Whoever dates him will be so
I feel like
lucky.
they're both very sweet. I love you, but the beating scared me. The little beat.
Well, it's like
خوشش اومد از کتک زدنه.
Who are your top 2?
These two.
These 2?
Yeah.
پشمام وسطیه رو دارن نگه میدارن. بین این دوتا میخوان انتخاب کنم. داره جالب میشه آجی. فکرشو کنم وسطیه رو انتخاب بکنم بعد قشنگ مشخص بشه که وسطیه تا الان داشته نقش بازی میکرده. پشماتون میریزه اون وقت. پشماتون میریزه.
I'm voting out him. I'm voting out Elf, but I love Elf. I love Elf. He could go to the Christmas party.
I love Elf.
Oh, don't hate us. Don't hate us.
This could be you.
Oh my god.
Could be you.
All right, so the guys have eliminated Lucy. I'm sorry, dude.
چه اشوه‌ای هم میاد. چه اشوه‌ای هم میاد لوسیه.
All right, so before you guys take off, why don't you, Lucy, why don't you show us what you got? The guys.
کی باز کردن؟
So before you guys take off, and
Oh.
have eliminated Kev.
This one hurt.
All right, so before you guys take off, why don't you?
من فکر کردم میخوام بریم دوتا تصمیم بگیرم.
The guys chose you.
Alright, so what I got is actually DIY. It came from the heart, but basically, it's a face-mounted camera. So you wear it on your forehead and you can record back shots with it. Your hands are free.
Huh?
Free phone.
That's awesome.
میبندیش پیشونی
So you brought a stuff.
سیف میکنه. یه هم چه چیز دیگه. صندلیه دیگه.
I'll just wrap it from here. You know, I was gonna help you out mount your stuff, you know, whenever you guys want to move. But also there's just
Oh, there is a gift.
Wait a minute.
There is a Louis bag in here too.
Oh, that's crazy.
Wait a minute.
کیف بوده؟
You got the money for that?
My mom stopped sending me money after this one.
No.
Thank you guys so much for coming. I appreciate you guys.
حاجی من منتظرم ناموسن تو صدات عوض بشی، اصلا کلا عوض بشی، یه چیز دیگه بشی. نشد عوض. واقعا خودش بود. خب دور آخر یه سوال باید بپرسن فکر کنم. آها یه سوال بپرسید بعد تصمیم گیری تصمیم کنید. اگه به اکست زنگ بزنید چی میگه در موردت؟
Honestly, I think she'd say I'm a great person. But
If I be honest,
yeah, in a sense, she might not understand.
بخوام خیلی صادق باشم.
But like, I'd be fully confident like having that conversation. I think it'd be kind of cool. Honestly.
I would say that.
چرا اینجوری حرف میزنه؟
Say that I like to have too much like talk about too much emotions because like sometimes I feel like you can read the room, but if somebody is not like saying something, you want to check in, but some people aren't like open to saying it, so then she would probably say I would always constantly check in to see if she was okay too much.
خیلی پسر احساسیه مثل که از ایناست که باید بشینی باش درد و دل کنی. چوسیاتو گوش میده.
If you're like drunk like in the moment, that's the biggest thing she'd probably tell you I have to work on 100%.
I think that's a good thing that you wait and gather your thoughts and your words.
Are you the type that would like to go through your boyfriend's phone or no?
I'm gonna say no, just because I would want to trust my partner.
آفرین گوشی مثل شورت آدم.
So that would be kind of like
نباید
an invasion of privacy and trust. So
I'm gonna agree with that, but I think if I ever wanted to go through your phone, if let's say just you should be okay with it, like I should know your password. But if you're like, as soon as I see any little skittish movement, like I grab your phone, you like jump and you grab it out of my hand or something.
Or like the phone being flipped over all the time.
Yeah, I'm gonna be very like concerned.
منظورش اینه که اگه خیلی زای بازی در بیاری من گوشیتون چک میکنم دیگه.
Yeah, but I think invasion of privacy. As well, but overall, yeah, I think if I wanted to even just go through it, just because I should be able to. There shouldn't be anything in there.
Oh, that's good.
You should be comfortable with it.
Yeah, absolutely.
What's your opinion on like a guy having a bunch of like girlfriends?
I eat a plant-based diet. Are you open to not eating meat anymore?
All right, so I'm going to give the ladies the option to
زیاد
decide
اهل
whether to
گوش
eliminate
نیست
first
بس.
or eliminate
خب
second. So if
میخوایم
you guys
ببینیم
eliminate
کی
some
کیو
people,
حذف
one
میکنه.
guy to decide
من به
who
نظرم
goes
این
second, then the
حذف
guys will
میشه.
eliminate you, and then the last
به نظرم این حذف میشه.
So what do you guys want to do first?
I'll say they should just go first.
نمیدونم واقعا سخته من نمیدونم.
Okay, that's fine.
اگه مثل برنامه قبل بود مشخص بود مثلا کی با کی میمونه. این دوتا واقعا سخته. انتخاب سختیه. اگه بخوام صادق باشم نمیدونم کدومشونو باید حذف کنم.
Oh my God, this is hard.
Oh, it's a tough one.
Yeah, it's tough. They're beautiful. They both work. Like,
both work, they have a job.
Yeah. I would say the opposite, bro, though, because she does work. I don't know, she talks about 401k, like Roth IRA.
Do you have a savings?
Yeah, it's there.
There's a little hesitant.
Yeah.
چقدر پسندازش داری الان؟
Okay. Yeah, we've decided.
ایشونو حذف کردن. حالا اسه باید تصمیم بگیره بین این دو نفر.
Oh, it looks like sneakers or Amazon.
I wish it was, but
چیه؟
it's a heated blanket.
Oh, yo.
چی ها؟
It's the best gift, honestly.
All right, Essie, so now it's your turn to
اسه رو با چشمای آبی
This is really
داریم.
tough, but I'm gonna say based off of you pretty much said you didn't think you would get along with me, unfortunately. So I'm gonna go with you.
Makes sense.
Yeah, like you literally told me you didn't like me, so actually.
همین صحبت‌های آخرش نجاتش دادی پسری خوره چوسی احساسی اومد.
I was saying before,
این
like,
چیه؟
have some fun in the bedroom, or if you want, if your boss is not giving you the raise that you want, this could help with it. Little cousin Timmy wants to have some fun outside. It's a perfect tool for it. It's a multi-useful tool.
It's not for
چیه
I taped
این
it way
حالا؟
too much, but
برای
pretty much
ضرب
it's not a
شرط
baseball
نیست.
bat.
Okay.
It's a slow pitch softball bat. So it's
ازش
a little
کن
bit
دیگه.
different.
It's a softball, but
Yeah.
so
Thank you. You as well.
چو اسبال نیست. خب دیگه این دوتا هم انتخاب کردم.
Actually, why don't you open it? Why don't you?
Okay.
Why don't you get
باز
in
کن
there?
ببینم
Right
چی
there.
آوردی.
Just-
Wait a minute.
Wait, the important part also is in there.
Oh, it's
This.
hidden.
Yeah, you open that up.
بلیته؟
Perfect date night.
Wow. I got a coupon for free head.
And wings. It's a perfect date night.
آها. کوپن برای غذاست.
Head and wings. Well, maybe.
Well,
خب دیگه قراره با هم بریم به به بخوریم. حاجی خدا کنه کادو تو هم خوب.
It's sticky and grippy and can be used to make a thong, but with one wrong move, it's gonna have you sing a Michael Jackson song.
No, absolutely no idea. The end part really just throws everything.
منم واقعا نمیدونم اصلا به چی تشبیه شد. چسبه.
Get it?
چسبه.
It's sticky and grippy, and I can use it to.
What's the Michael Jackson part?
Like ripping it off.
راستی چه ربطی به مایکل جکسون؟
Yeah.
That was it. There we go. So that's good.
Let's put it up. Let's put it up. Here.
What?
We won.
خب چی شد وایسی؟ واقعا با هم اوکی شدن؟ خب بچه ها مرسی تا آخر ویدیو با ما همراه بودید. لایک کامنت سابسکرایب یادتون نره و خیلی میخوامتون تا ویدیوی